to this premises. We have our educational institution started 50 years back by great visionary Sri Late Rajibhat Desai. In our society, we have about 45 institutions. We impart right from the lower KG to the post-graduation level. We have got all faculties in the colleges. Meanwhile, we didn't have an English medium school because it was a great demand in Belgaum city and surrounding. So people used to stand in queue to get the admissions. To get the admissions, in spite of that, people they never used to get the admission, and many schools used to charge heavy fees and donations, which was not possible for the middle class people to pay. So we had a discussion amongst our colleagues, and we came to the conclusion for the middle class group and upper middle class group, we can provide an English medium school with all the facilities which we can give to the society. With that idea, we started the school, and we have provided all the modern amenities, all the labs, library, playgrounds, and sports room, mathematics room, all according to the CBSE norms we have provided over here. So this will be a great tool for the middle class people to send their children to this sort of school. Whoever are interested or they want to send their children to the English medium school. I think we have provided all these amenities, and we are going to further grow this institution up to the third standard. With this, I think whichever I have told research. School was instituted on 18 September 2020 by the CBSE board, and we got the affiliation on 26 November 20. The affiliation number being 831035. I will let me repeat: 831035. CBSE affiliation.
Hello friends, you are all journalists. Today the management of the school and the management of our wonder called this press conference to inform you that the school, though it was started just before 2 days, CBSE has granted its recognition, and the recognition of CBSE board. To get the recognition, it was very difficult. They examined the site before months, we made some suggestions. We complied all the suggestions. They also made some suggestions about staff and working. We also complied all the suggestions. And after looking all that work, they have given us the recognition of CBSE. This is a NQ school in our mandal. Our mandal was established with a view to spread the education on downtrodden in villages in Marathi medium. However, some of the management persons and some of the educated persons from Belgaum city, we were surprised to see that our Marathi Vidyalaya Mandal is running the best school in Marathi medium. In spite of that, some of the supposed to be upper class in our community, they were sending their children to the adjacent school, which was in English medium. So some of the members of our society studied why they are sending children to that school and not to Vidyalaya, which is the best school not only in Karnataka, but I think it is in Maharashtra also the best school in Marathi medium. In spite of that, some parents were sending their children to the neighboring English medium schools. That was only because there is some attraction about English medium school. And then, with a view to provide English medium teaching to our students, the mandal decided to start this English medium school. Here we purchased the land and we entrusted the management of the school on our colleague, Dr. Kai, and now you can see that he has fulfilled all the required this thing, and the board has given the recognition to CBSE, and only to show that we are running the best school here. We have called this press meet. I am very much thankful for all the press representatives, those who have come to here, come to this press conference on behalf of Mandal. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मी मराठीत सांगेन. तर आमच्या संस्थेला शिक्षण मंडळ संस्था स्थापन 50 वर्ष झाली आणि हे आमचं गोल्डन जुबली इयर सुरू आहे. आणि या गोल्डन जुबली इयरमध्येच आमच्या ज्योती सेंटर स्कूल आमच्या सर्व शाळांमधून एकच ही इंग्लिश मीडियमची शाळा आहे आणि ती पण आपण CBSE सिलेबस प्रमाणे किंवा त्याच्या मार्कप्रमाणे केलेली आहे. त्यांचं रिकग्नायझेशन गेल्या महिन्यात पासून आहे. एक आहे संस्थेचा आतापर्यंत ध्येय आहे की विद्यार्थी केंद्र बिंदू ठेवून आम्ही काम करतो आणि शिक्षक हा मान देतो असेल तर CBSEचं आम्हाला रेकग्नायझेशन मिळालं आहे भारतात सगळ्यात म्हणजे अशा कित्येक शाळा आहेत की ज्यांना हे असं रेकग्नायझेशन मिळालं परंतु आम्ही आता विद्यार्थ्यांच्यावर कॉन्सन्ट्रेट करतो शिक्षकांच्यावर कॉन्सन्ट्रेट करतो आणि विद्यार्थ्यांच्या अडीअडचणी काय आहेत ते बघून पुढील कार्य सुरू असेल कारण आता नवीन शैक्षणिक धोरण सुद्धा डिक्लेअर झालं सगळी शैक्षणिक क्षेत्रात गोंधळाची स्थिती आहे यासाठी आमची अकॅडमिक कमिटी एक स्पेशल आहे ती त्याच्यावर अभ्यास करेल आणि ह्या शाळेचा पाया हा चांगला रचला जाईल आणि आपल्या ह्या भागात त्या शाळेचं स्टँडर्ड आम्ही उंचावू आणि तिथल्या विद्यार्थ्यांना बाहेर कुठं जाऊन ॲडमिशन घ्यावं लागू नाही याची आम्ही काळजी घेऊ आणि बेळगावकरांच्यासाठी की एक इंग्लिश मिडियम स्कूल राहील याच्यात सर्व जाती धर्मांचे सर्व भाषेचे विद्यार्थी याची आम्ही काळजी घेऊ आणि त्याला ॲडमिशन देऊ
Which starts from this year, 2021, NEP. So there are two provisions, as you have already studied. One is that 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th will be part of high school, whatever, because there will be no PUC college after 2021. And secondly, there will be professional education, like plumbing, electrician, etc.
These buildings we have planned according to the CBSE norms. At present, we got the permission of 10th standard. We will be proceeding for 11th and 12th standard. That is, the provision already has been made in the building. So naturally, our 10th standard students will go to 11th and 12th. According to the new education policy, whichever the norms from the CBSE board will come, we are going to fulfill them. So there is no question that we have got something to teach and they have got something to set the syllabus like that. No, we are totally observing and following these CBSE norms. According to the new education policy, naturally we will be pulled or dragged into it. There is no doubt about it.
Order, but I am saying because they are saying 2021 to 2035, that is the time span they are looking at. So I expect them to release some order by April after this corona confusion is over. But it is definitely part of the recommendation. So if you plan by now for dropouts, etc., then there is more focus on job orientation. Job orientation.
Yes, yes, that new education policy itself it is job oriented only. What the boy is going to, after passing the 10, what he is going to do? If he is a dropout, what he is going to do? In the new education policy, everything they are given.
Do you have experience in that? I don't know. Do
No,
you have
no,
an
no.
ITI or diploma college? Are you running already? In your
डॉक्टर साहेब इंजिनिअरिंगमध्ये सुरू आहे
Sir, something. Namaskar. As you asked about the inculcating the skills in the students, in our Marathi Vidyaniket school, already we have started that carpentry, then plumbing, even farming. All these are already started. It is going on in our Marathi Vidyaniket school. Same thing will be continued in this school.
Will you take us to that school someday?
Huh?
We can go and see it one day.
Oh, yes, definitely will come there, sir. We have already started that. We have other degree lab there. We have these courses for the 8th and 9th students. We are not taking the 10th students there because 10th students have to go for the board examination. So for 8th and 9th students, we are giving them the primary education about the plumbing, motor winding, then carpentry, farming, even cooking we are thinking of.
Because from 2022 there will be no board examination.
Yeah. There will be no board exam. But right now, already 2 years past, we have started this. Before that draft comes, we have already started that.
We'd like
In
to
our-
see it one day.
Yes, sir. Definitely. We shall call you. We shall call the meeting there itself, and we shall show you whatever we are going to do there. Right. There is also right from KG to 10th in Marathi medium. Here it will be English medium. There we have already done it on the experimental basis. We are going to start that policy in all our schools. We have 32 high schools, 5 junior colleges, 3 degree colleges, even PG course. Yes, sir.
How many junior colleges we have? 5.
5 junior colleges.
There you will have to have 9th and 10th.
Yeah. According to new education policy, we have to go there. As per the guidelines which are issued by the government, we have to do that. Definitely. But how they are going to implement it, yet we are not aware of.
I think they give some time, but that is the
Yeah. By 2035, the entire policy will be implemented. From 2021 it starts, but up to 35, stepwise it will be implemented.
We have got many central schools with CBSE syllabus in Belgaum, district. But they're not being able to attract students like government schools.
Yeah.
So they are being able to attract students. Even though we have many central schools, they're not been up to the mark. I don't know what exactly. But
That's what we are going to try now. We are going to focus on the academic development of the students. That is one thing, by providing the enthusiastic principal and the enthusiastic staff. Second, we will try to inculcate these skills, and later on we shall recover it, and we are trying to develop the overall development of the particular student. Not only this academics, in sports, intelligence, and we shall, once we start that Q course, we shall also try to give them the extra coaching for JEE, NEET and other competitive examination. In our institute, in our society, we have already started the academy, which gives the education or which gives the information about the competitive exams, etc. So here we are now trying to improve first the quality. Then we shall go for the what to be done for the quantity also. So right now we have the all classes full. 2 divisions for each class. 40 students in each class. So 80 students are there from 1st to 6th. 7th, 8th was started earlier, that's why there are some less students which are started in the old premises. But now we are getting the step as per the permission given by the CBSE. And right now we got the permission from Karnataka government, Education Department of Karnataka government. Recently, 2 days back, we received the affiliation of CBSE. Because they give the CBSE affiliation only when the students reach the 8th standard. That's why we applied there. The committee visited it. Whatever norms they were put down by the CBSE board, we have fulfilled that. That's why we received that affiliation.
Good afternoon to all. It gives me an immense pleasure to express my gratitude and thanks to all the people. So from the Dakshin Maharashtra Shikshan Mandal, so the Jyoti Central School got the CBSE affiliation. In accordance with that, in connection with that, they have called the press meet. And for this press meet, the Vice President of the Dakshin Maharashtra Shikshan Mandal, Advocate Rajabhos sir, has expressed his view and gave his important time for this. On behalf of Jyoti Central School, I would like to thank Advocate Rajabhos sir. And also the Secretary of DMS Mandal, Sri Subhashra Olkar sir, has briefed about the other institute of the Dakshin Maharashtra Mandal. I also thanks to the Olkar sir and the chairman of Jyoti Central School, who is the pillar of the foundation, and I can say is the founder chairman of the Jyoti Central School, and it gives a very proud moment to Dr. B.D. Kale sir that it is the first CBSE school and English medium school added in Dakshin Maharashtra Mandal, and he has explained the whole procedure and the permission process how we got from the CBSE on behalf of the school. I also would like to thank Dr. B.D. Kale sir and the treasurer of Dakshin Maharashtra Shikshan Mandal, Sri Andekar sir, and joint secretary who has expressed the future plan of the school, and on behalf of the Jyoti Central School, I also thanks to Professor Vikram Patil sir, and I also thanks all the governing council members, the members of school managing committee, and without this, the press media person, this would not have been completed or successful. On behalf of Dakshin Maharashtra Mandal and Jyoti Central School, I heartily thank to all the media persons and those who are present for this press meet. On behalf of the school, I also request all the press media persons to have the look of the school one round, and thank you, Vandana.